In this video, I'm going to show you the usage of sidebar. In Microsoft Bing, you will see on the right hand side a space which has the hosting of sidebar components. Now, if I click on this plus icon over here, I can do a customization of my sidebar. You'll see a whole bunch of options over here. What you can first go and check is what are these options. So let me enable something called as tools. Now, let me see what this tools is. So if I click on tools, I can see a calculator, which is handy for me to, like do some sort of calculations. So I can do calculation within the web browser. So I'm done. If I done with the calculation, I can do a whole bunch of conversions. So if I want to check what's the temperature like from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so if I want to check what is 34 Celsius, I can get that answer. If I want to translate some text, so if I type something in English and I want to see in different language, say Italian, I can see this information. At the same time, I can also hear what the text means. I can listen to it. Basic info. And I can see the translation over here. Informazioni di base. Then the next option is dictionary. So if I don't understand the meaning of some word, so let's say proclaim, and I just say click on define, I can see the dictionary, the meaning of the word, the sentences through which we can use that word. So those all information becomes available. There's an option to see the world clock. I can add clock of various cities. So if I could say Brisbane, I can see the time of various country. So that's about tool. If I click on customer sidebar over here again, and if I click on Microsoft 365 and Outlook, what essentially it does is like if it opens Microsoft 365 pane within this sidebar. So I can navigate to various application within Microsoft 365. So if I click on home here, it will open the Microsoft 365 page in my browser itself. Okay. The second option is Outlook. So if I click on Outlook, I can actually read my emails within the sidebar in a more compact way. So I can see the mails, I can see the calendar, I can see my to-do list, I can view the contact or the people within my organization. So it's pretty big of a handy tool, which is available within Microsoft Edge. Uh, Moving back to sidebar, if I click on the sidebar, I can enable other options called as drop, which I've already covered in one of the earlier videos in my channel. You can also enable health and wellness, OneNote feed, uh, and if I just click on health and wellness, it will open a page which will give me some sort of useful information to how to, uh, like say, do a good stress relief, and various health and fitness related videos or information. If I have a web page and if I want to put this web page in the sidebar, there is an option which I can do is right click and say add tab to sidebar. The moment I do that, I see this icon of this website over here. And if I click on it, it will open the web page in the sidebar. So if you want to see some basic information about the website, you can navigate and then you can see this sort of a preview kind of a view within the sidebar. So that's all about sidebar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.